In this series of videos, we're going to take this plain section of lawn and turn it into a beautiful backyard patio. Before laying the paving blocks, you'll first need to prepare the site. To learn more about site preparation, please click the link on the screen or in the description below. For this project, we'll be using these tumbled Belgian concrete pavers. Concrete pavers can be used to create a large, durable patio area, but individually, they're relatively lightweight and easy to install. Belgian pavers are available in 4 different sizes, so you can mix them to create dozens of attractive patterns. The tumbled edges give the pavers a natural, weathered appearance. A great way to design your patio is to visit your nearest Menards and use the free Design It Center. You'll see what your project will look like, and you'll even get a detailed list of the materials you'll need. The sand base for the pavers should be smooth and slightly pitched. Start along your house or other straight edge and lay the pavers in your selected pattern. You just need to set the pavers in place. Don't stand on them or twist them into place. You can leave a slight gap between the pavers or tap them with a rubber mallet if necessary. If you've taken the time to have your site properly prepared, the actual laying of the pavers should go fairly quickly. For this project, we've chosen a random pattern using various sizes of Belgian pavers. In some places, particularly if you have a curved section, it may be necessary to cut the pavers. Pavers can be split with a hammer and chisel, a block splitter, or, to get a smooth, clean cut, a diamond wheel wet saw. A wet saw can be rented. The constant stream of recirculating water keeps the blade cool and lubricated, and the sliding tray carries the paver past the blade. The average cut only takes a few seconds. When all the pavers are in place, paver locking sand is swept between the gaps of the blocks to hold them firmly in place. Make sure the blocks and sand are dry at this stage or the sand won't fill the gaps properly. Then, wet down the entire patio to lock the sand into place. You can also apply a couple of coats of concrete sealer if desired. To stay up to date on all of Menards how-to projects, subscribe to our channel here.